Baba, So basically in this episode we're learning how to climb back down. In the previous episode we learned how to climb up. So we've already learned how to climb up. But now we're climbing down. And it's still the same skill. 3 going 3, 3 like that. Forget about the note you are playing. Focus on your fingers, right? So I like to start from a note, like if I'm on saw chord and I want to run, I will start from either saw, C or re. So I'm either climbing down like this, or starting from saw. Or I'm starting from re. Right? You can start from other keys, but I just like to start from notes that are in the chord I'm playing. You can start from do. They all make sense. You can start from la. Anywhere. You can start from fa, far away. That's the la closest to that chord. So focus on your hand, that movement, right? So basically the movement goes like this: 3, 2, 1, then you move to the next set of 3s, 3, 2, 1, next set of 3s, 3, 2. Basically that's that. So it's the reverse of what we did the last time. The last time we did Baba oh, oh, Baba oh. Right? We climbed up, but this time we are doing Baba oh. Right? Basically that's what we're doing. We're climbing back down in this episode. So see you in the next episode.